75. Now he's got his head kind of in the sun. Don't do it until you got a clear broadside shot, all right? The shadow on the left. Find the bigger tree in the middle of that shadow of the left. There's a deer on the right. Lee's gonna shoot at the deer on the bottom, and you're gonna shoot the deer at the top of the... One's in the sun, Jerry. Do you see the one in the sun? Just barely in the sun? To the left of the shadow, to the left of the biggest tree, actually above the tree that's in the middle of the shadow. Do you see that? Only when that big one's broadside, all right, Lee? Well, what we're going to try to do is shoot the big one first, and then we'll see what that other one does. I want him to find that other one, though. I guess here he comes, he's coming out of the brush. Okay, yours is coming out. You see it, Lee? Well, don't do it yet, only if he's stopped. Whenever you want. Hit him. Jerry, find the tree that's in the middle of the cut. You got that? Go to the right. Big mass of trees, right? Yeah. Go to the right of that mass of trees.
Couldn't spot it for you.
Dropped him.
He ain't moving. He's right on the shoulder.
Good job.
He ain't fucking dead.
Come on, Lee. Bring him up this hill. Don't you go dying on me. Well, congratulations, guys. This is Jerry Iliff and Lee Bollinger. They're both from Dallas, and they come out on a Coues deer hunt. And this morning, opening morning, we found these two bucks together. We got 375 yards and ended up taking this nice buck right here. He's got a nice, probably a 90-inch frame. It's a really nice buck, real long G2s. And then after this one was down, we waited for this one to come out from behind a tree, and he took this nice buck here. Jerry's got this nice little, call it 3 points, got 8 points on its rack. But he shot his at right about 392 yards, and it was a very successful morning. Big hike in here. We got up real early and knew that the bucks would probably bed down early, because we got a big storm coming today. But we got to jump on things and got it done the first morning. But how was the hunt, guys?
Great. Yeah. It ruined me for all Coues deer hunting.
It ruined you.
It was awesome. Yeah.
Now I'm going to expect to kill something on opening day every time I go hunt.
Every time.
Okay,
yeah.
Opening day every time.
Opening morning.
All right, well, congratulations again. Let's see if we can pack these things out of here.
All right.
A couple miles to go, so we'll probably be there by dark.
All right, thanks again, Pat.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it.